Hi, this is Regitze from Greatness for You. Today I want to show you how you can set up your Instagram profile for conversions and actually use it as a website. So here I'm on my own Instagram profile. It's on the desktop, of course, but you can also do it on your phone. So first of all, have a profile picture where people can actually see you, or a logo if you want to have your business logo there is also okay, or maybe a picture of your product if you're selling a specific product. And then here in the bio, it should be, only have limited amount of space there, so it should be very short what it is that you want people to do, what you're selling, and also what you want them to do. Like here I say, click the link below to book a call to learn more. It may seem obvious to you, but it is important to tell people what you want them to do. So you have to be a little creative since you have limited amount of space there. And then you have the link here, and it should be the link where you want people to go. Since you just have one link, so if you have a website, don't link it to your homepage of your website. If you're selling a product, you should link it to the product page of the one product that you want to sell. So you can only sell one product at a time. You can, of course, put in a link tree. A link tree is like a website for social media mostly is used, where you can put several links. So you can put your website, you can put several stores, you can put your calendar in there, Calendly, like I have a other calendar where people can book a call with you. But it's going to lower your conversion rates because the more steps that a person has to take, the more people are going to fall off or is going to stop and just go back and do something else. So to make it as short and precise as possible, like here, I just have one link and it's going to the Calendly where people can book a call with me. I don't have it to my website because I want people to book a call with me. So, and then you have your highlights here, and you can have some stories that you put in your highlights with your offers, for instance. And it's also important to have some testimonials. So those are great to put in your highlights too. And then, of course, you have your content, and you have three pieces of content that you can pin so that they always stay on top. So make those pieces the best pieces of your content. It can be a testimonial like this one, a piece of content with call to action, and maybe a piece of content with something valuable that you're teaching. And the rest of the content should also be something valuable where you're teaching people something, helping them solve a problem, or showing your product if you're selling a product. So yeah, so I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, comment below. And as always, don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, share it with a friend. And if you if you're a coach or consultant, then we specialize in getting leads for coaches and consultants. And what you can do with this method also, you can of course use it organically, without ads, but you can also have paid ads so that you get with much more results and much faster. You can lead people with paid ads to it, and it's not too expensive. So if you want to hear more, then go to my Instagram profile, click the link here, and book a call with me. You can also do it on Facebook, where my link is also in the bio. And take care and have a great day. Bye.